Bees provide an essential service that puts food on our plates and keeps agriculture healthy and thriving in Minnesota. By taking pollen and nectar from flower to flower, bees deliver key nutrients that help our garden vegetables to grow large and delicious. That's why I'm at Glacial Ridge Growers today in Glenwood, Minnesota. Here, the Stark family has been cultivating pollinator-friendly flowers and habitats for nearly 50 years and teaching other people how to do this as well. From their greenhouses here on the prairie, the Starks grow a variety of vegetables and herbs and native plants, all nurtured with pollen from friendly, buzzing bees.
Well, the average homeowner can do a lot of things. The first thing to do is to plant native plants, because those are the plants that our pollinators want to go to. The other thing is to keep your pesticide usage low, because we don't want to be killing off those pollinators. And just keep a good broad environment out there for, for plants to grow. A pollinator-friendly garden is something that can be a lot of fun for us. We'll get to see all those bees and butterflies out there, which is really a nice thing, especially in the fall as they build up for their migrations. And also, it just is a good thing to support those bees, especially because we need them for pollination. They're so important to all of our crops. So we want to continue to help them along as much as we can.
At the risk of a bad pun, I imagine the folks here at Glacial Ridge Growers are as busy as bees. And if you'd like to learn more about starting your own pollinator-friendly garden, please visit minnesotagrown.com for more information.